Hello everyone, my name is Lehed Obroy. Today I am here to make a potato osmometer. So let's start it. For this, first you have to take a peeled potato and make a cavity in it like this. Now add 20% sugar solution in it. Now mark the level with the help of pen. And add distilled water in the bowl. Like this. Now keep it aside for 2 hours and let's see what will happen. Observation. The level of water has risen up.
Everyone, this side Prachi Jangir of class 9th. Today I am going to show you an activity of osmosis with the help of potato osmometer. I tell you what is osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water of low concentration to high concentration through semi-permeable membrane. Take a potato and cut like this. After this, pour 20% sugar solution into potato osmometer. After this, place it in the bowl and fill it with water. Mark the level of sugar solution inside the potato osmometer with the help of pen. Now leave it for 2 hours.
Hello everyone, myself Vaibhavi of class 9th A and today we are going to make a potato osmometer.
Osmosis is the movement of water molecules or a solvent from a rain of low water concentration towards a rain of high water concentration. We will be needing a peeled potato, one boiled peeled potato, salt, tray and some water. First we will make a cavity in middle of both the potatoes. After that we will put them in a tray. After that put some salt in both the potato and pour some water in the tray and observe it.
Now first we know what is osmosis. Osmosis is the process in which the level of sugar solution in the potato cavity rises after some time due to the entry of water into the sugar solution through the selectively permeable membrane of the cells of the potato. Now we will see how to make it. Material we required: a potato, pins, bowl, knife, distilled water and 20% sugar solution. Procedure: first take a potato, raw potato without peel, and make a cavity like this with the help of knife. Now take a bowl and put the potato in it. Now pour some water, distilled water in it. Pour half of the distilled water in it. Now pour 20% sugar solution in it, in the cavity of the potato. Pour the solution gently. As you can see, I have poured sugar solution sugar in the potato cavity. Take a pen and mark it on the potato. As you can see, I have filled the solution half of the cavity and mark the pen in the potato cavity. Now let me wait for 2 hours. After 2 hours, as you can see, the water level is up of the potato cavity. Now mark this with the help of pen, like this. Conclusion: the movement of the water bone to the potato cavity occurs difference because of the concentration of solvent molecules in the two regions of the sugar solution and the pure water in the bowl. Thank you.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Akshay Kumar. I am a student of class 9th B. Today I am going to show an activity on osmosis. So let us understand what is osmosis. Osmosis is a process in which water passes across cell membrane depending on the solute concentration inside and outside of the cell. We have 3 potatoes, 1 boiled and 2 raw. Peel all the 3 potatoes. Now make a cavity in the middle of all the 3 potatoes. Put some salt in 1 raw potato and 1 in boiled potato. Keep the third raw potato empty. Pour water in the tray. You see that the salt and the boiled potato remains as it is, but the salt in the raw potato is wet and some has dissolved it. This is because salt in the raw potato drains out the water from the cells lining the cavity due to osmosis. The cells in the draw out the water from the adjoining cells and this cycle continues till the outermost cells. The cell at the outermost layer absorb water from the water in the tray. If you see the potato which has no salt, hence water does not collect it in the cavity, so water does not reach the desired destination. There is collection of water in the boiled potato, which is because of the dead cells due to boiling. So, cells need to be alive for osmosis to take place. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Barkha and I'm a student of class 9B. Today I'm going to perform an activity in which I'm going to make a potato osmometer. So for this activity we have to know what osmosis is. Osmosis is the movement of a water molecule or solvent from region of low water concentration towards a region of high water concentration. For this activity we will be needing a raw peeled potato, one boiled peeled potato, salt, bowl and water. Procedure: make a cavity in both the potato and put them in a tray or a bowl. Put salt in both the potatoes. After that, pour water in bowl and observe. Now, we can see that the salt in the boiled potato remains as it is, but the salt in the raw potato is wet and some has dissolved. This is because salt in the raw potato drains out water from cell lining the cavity due to osmosis.
Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Surya and I am from class 3B. Today I am performing an activity which is known as potato osmosis. So let us understand what is osmosis. The level of sugar solution in potato cavity rises after some time due to the entry of water into sugar solution through selectively permeable membrane of the cell of the potato. To perform this activity, we required pin, bowl, distilled water, 20% sugar solution. Now let's start the activity. Take a potato and peel it with the help of knife and cut it both of the bottoms with the help of knife. Now take a knife and make cavity in the potato. Make a cavity like this. Now take a bowl and place this potato in it. Now take distilled water and pour it in the bowl. Now gently pour 20% sugar solution in the potato. Now take pin and mark the level of the water. Mark the water level like this. Now wait for 2 hours. After 2 hours, as you can see, the water level rises up. Now mark it with the pin. Like this. Observation. The level of sugar solution in the potato cavity rises up after some time due to the entry of water into sugar solution through the selectively permeable membrane of the cell of the potato. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Anshika Gupta of class 9th. Today I am here to perform the potato osmometer. What is osmosis? Osmosis is transport of a solvent through a semi-permeable membrane that separates two solutions of differing solute concentration. During osmosis, the solvent moves from the solution that is lower in solute concentration to the solution that is higher in solute concentration. Materials required: potato without peel, pins, knife, bowl. Distill water, 20% of sugar solution. Procedure: take a potato and a knife, cut both ends of the potato to make it flat. Using a knife, make a cavity in the center of the potato from the flat side almost above the bottom. Take a bowl and pour distilled water on it. Now place potato in it and fill half of the cavity with 20% of sugar solution. And the level of sugar solution in a cavity with the help of a pen. Leave the osmometer undisturbed for about 2 hours. Mark the rise of sugar solution in the cavity with other pen. Observation: the level of sugar solution in the potato cavity rises after some time due to the entry of water into the sugar solution through selectively permeable of the cell of the potato. Conclusion: the movement of water from the bowl to the potato cavity occurs because of the difference in the concentration of solvent molecules in two regions: sugar solution in the potato cavity and pure water in the bowl. Thank you.
My name is Tanishka from 9th. Let us understand osmosis with a very simple experiment. Here we have 3 potatoes, 2 raw ones and a boiled potato. Peel all 3 potatoes. Now make a cavity in the middle of all 3 potatoes. Put some salt in one raw potato and one in boiled potato. Keep the third raw potato empty. Pour water in the tray. Now you see that the salt and the boiled potato remains as it is, but the salt in the raw potato is wet and some has dissolved. This is because salt in the raw potato drains out water from the cell lining the cavity due to osmosis. These cells in turn draw out water from the adjoining cell, and this cycle continues till the outermost cell. This cell at the outermost layer absorb water from water in the tray. This is what exactly happens in root plant. Keep a higher solute concentration in cell and stem, which is used to initial pressure in root hair cell, which absorb water from the soil.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Dushan Saini of 9th week. So today we are performing an activity of potato osmometer. For that we need a distilled water, 20% sugar solution, 2 pins, a raw potato, peeled raw potato, a knife and a bowl. So make a cavity. So first peel this potato and make a cavity. Cut the both ends of the potato and make a cavity. Then put the potato on a bowl and then put the half of the distilled water on the bowl. And then put the 20% sugar solution on the potato. Fill the half potato with the sugar solution like this, and then we mark the water level with the help of pen like this. Now we wait for 2 hours. As you can see, the water level rises. Now we put the mark with the help of the pin. Observation: this is because the level of the sugar solution into the potato cavity rises after some time due to the entry of the water into the sugar solution through selective permeable membrane of the cell of the potato. Thank you.
bin bowl 20% of sugar solution and still water. This to make a cavity in the center of the potato. Like take a bowl and take distilling water in it and take a potato and dip in a bowl. Take a 20% of solution, fill in the half of cavity in it. Mark and level of sugar solution with the help of pin. Mark the rise of sugar solution level after rise up. Observation: the level of sugar solution in the potato cavity rise after some time due to the center of the water solution is to selectively permeable membrane. Thank you.
raw potato, 1 boiled potato, salt and water. A cavity in both the potatoes. Second, put salt in both the potatoes. Third, pour water in a bowl and observe. Observation: the salt in the boiled potato remaining as it is, but the salt in raw potato is